Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I'll be telling you a totally new method of growing coriander or cilantro at home. This is the easiest method. Everyone can do it. Only thing you have to do is buy some seeds from some branded seeds that I bought some from the market. These are Sakura seeds, branded seeds. Rest assure, make sure that the dates are proper dates are here, validity is there. And another brand I am showing you, this is the Bravo from this GMS Agritech Limited, and I am growing today some Sakura seeds. This is available in our market, and I will show you the seeds, what type of seeds are. There are two pieces of seeds already made, so you don't have to break the seeds totally, and they are fresh and all are chemically treated, I tell you. And I will be taking around 24 gram of seeds here, 25 grams of seeds here for 4 pots here, you see. And the first step what you have to do is to soak in water for around 48 hours. You have to soak the seeds for around 48 hours, and after 48 hours I'll tell you what to do. So I am soaking in water, plain water, any kind of water, plain water. Just soak it for 48 hours. Welcome back, friends. After 48 hours, you see these are already soaked in water, and you can see the water is slightly reddish in color because of the chemically treated seeds. And decant it properly, and I'll decant the water from here, and just throw away the water, and the water are chemically treated, and wash your hands properly with soap because they are all harmful chemicals, so you have to discard the water. And now I am taking the seeds. The second step I will be telling you what to do with these seeds. Just take a cloth here, coarse some cotton cloth here, coarse cotton cloth, and put it and make it a bundle in it, in this cotton. Tie it properly, make a bundle of it, and after proper knot with some string, and you have to hang it in some place for around 24 hours. So I am tying it with some knot with some strings here, you see. And after that what I will do, I'll hang it in some place for around 24 hours, and after 24 hours I'll see what to do it. So these are all easiest method. You don't have to do much bother about much about this, and that I have not it properly and hang it in some place for around 24 hours. So welcome back, friends, after 24 hours that I have hanged it here for 24 hours. Now taking out the seeds from here, and what next you have to do, the two steps already done. Now third steps what you have to do, keep these seeds, all the packet here, bundle here, keep in fridge, normal fridge. You have to keep it around for 24 hours. This is optional, this is not must, but if you do it, keep it in 24 hours, that result should be very very nice. So keep on watching. Welcome back, friends, after 24 hours. Now I am taking out the seeds from the freeze, and now this is the called stratification. This is all cold treatment, and this is very very nice trick for growing coriander easily. And now I'll take soil mix. I'll take 2 parts garden soil, 1 part vermicompost, and 1 part I'll be taking coco peat. Coco peat is optional. This is garden soil, this is vermicompost, and this is coco peat. So I'll be taking 2 parts garden soil, 1 part vermicompost, 1 part coco peat, and coco peat is optional if you don't have. So I am taking garden soil here. See how I am doing here, the total process of making soil. So I'll be making the mixture for 2 pots right now. After that I'll be making another 2 pots for soil mixture. Here I'll be taking half of this pot, and coco peat also I'll be taking half of this pot. So altogether they will make a mixture for 2 pots here, and later on I'll make the other 2 pots for mixture. So here mixture is ready. Now I am filling up the pots here, you see. And after filling up the pots, you have to sprinkle the seeds, you have to sow the seeds properly. I have filled up the 2 pots here, and after that I kept some soil mixture here for covering. So now I am taking out the seeds from here, you see, and untying the knot from here, and I will show you the how the seeds look like. The seeds are properly soaked in water and properly stratification done in the cold treatment done, and now the seeds are slightly swollen, and you see these are the seeds are ready to be sown properly. And I'll sprinkle the seeds here. Just see, just take some seeds here, sprinkle a little bit on these pots here. You see how I am sprinkling here. And don't make it too much dense, too much crowdy, because they will make they won't grow much good. So make some proper spacing here. And after sprinkling the seeds right now, I'll keep it for another 2 pots. And now cover the seeds with the same soil mix, around thin layer, around 5 millimeter layer, only a thin layer of just to cover the seeds. And now I am covering the seeds here, you see. And after covering the seeds properly, what you have to do is sprinkle water here. And after sprinkling water, keep it in semi-shade area for around 5 to 6 days. And once the sprouting is occurred, you can put it in direct sunlight. You have to put it in direct sunlight, let it be here for around a week, and after a week I'll show you. Welcome back, friends. After 12 days, you see the sprouting has done. Nice sprouting. I've done sprouting already done in 8 to 19 days. Now they are around 2 leaves, around 1 inch height of these plants. You see, and a nice germination of this coriander or cilantro in all the 4 pots. You can see. You see now after the 18 days, you see third and fourth leaves are coming out, and all the beautiful beautiful growing of this coriander. This is the result of 24 days. Now they are totally full grown, and they will be maturing very soon, and they are nice coriander or germination. Every day you have to water it, sprinkle water properly, and keep it in full sunlight. Welcome back, friends. After 1 month, and you see the all my dhania or coriander is ready to be harvested. And one thing I'll do is today I'll harvest a little bit, just to spacing, proper spacing, thinning out the coriander plants, because too much of dense they won't grow nicely. So I'll be thinning out or spacing the plants. I'll harvest little bit from every pot. And for the today's kitchen, it will be sufficient for that. I'll be harvesting today. So thinning out is, if you want, you can cut with some scissors also the top portions, but these are very very dense. So I will be thinning out properly. I will be spacing the plants, and that I have harvested, that will be used in my kitchen. So this is the nice harvesting of this dhania or coriander or cilantro. And this is enough for my today in my kitchen. And water the plants regularly. I will show you some of the how to fertilize the plants also in another video. So this is all for today. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the garden tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.